Yun namang pong disenyong...
Sabi mo, wala sa budget, isusingit pa lang sa budget, pero ang priority would be the condominium. Na sinasabi mo, 3.2 million units by 2028. Yun ang question ko sa DSUD, bakit pinaprioritize yung middle class when your mandate is to help the poor and the homeless?
Yung pong binanggit ko, Mr. President, na mga ipopropose pa lamang ng DSUD na public rental housing at saka yung dalawa pa, bukod po doon, yung existing na pinagkakagastusan ng GAA ng
Ang question
NHA.
ko, why are you prioritizing the 3.2 million condominium for the middle class when your mandate is to help the poor and the homeless? Dapat yun ang first priority. In fact, that is our problem in Las Piñas, that yung inyong condominium na pinopropose, it's not for the poor and the homeless, it's for the middle class.